पूछना चाहूँगा the film has won such great accolades internationally. What is your expectation from the audience?
We are very proud. Internationally, it's already done, made a little bit of a mark, and we want to make more of a mark. But for me, today is our true test. In our homeland, in our hometown, with our people who will hopefully support and love this film. So, this is the homecoming. This is the big night. This is Mehta boys coming home, and hope to God, each and every one of you love it as much as we do. Thank you.
What according to you about this film is that is going to appeal the most with the iffi audience, our very own iffi audience?
Anyone who has had a father will understand this film, will know exactly what we're talking about. Anyone who's had a son will know. Anyone who's had a mother, anyone who's had a daughter, anyone who's had any kind of relationship will realize that life's too short. And if life is too short, one must make sure you do not waste time allowing your ego to take up that space which kills time. Because life is too short, time is short. And this film teaches us how not to be stupid with the people we love. That's what the movie says.
Make the most of that short time that we have. Sir, huge fan of you already know. A diverse filmography that you have. What was so different about this role that made you direct this one and of course act in it?
Films and stories can be about events, about scams, about murders, about many things. But eventually, no matter what the film is or what the genre of the film is, eventually we should be about human beings. But this film, from the get-go, is about human beings. It's not about murder, it's not about scams, it's about human beings and how frail the human ego is, how weak the human ego is. So I think we identify with it. Each and every one of us over here, we should identify.
I can see a lot of smiles in front of our audience's faces. So first of all, welcome to India. And if I'm not wrong, it's the first time you're writing for an Indian film. How did that feel?
I had the most wonderful time. It started with boman before it was anything else. We became brothers almost immediately. We found something to find in the story about family. And we felt the brotherhood and a film about family, created by a family led by boman, and hopefully that's honest love.
Thank you. So as one of the creative forces behind this film, what makes the Mehta Boys so special for you?
I think we all know that the relationship between fathers and sons can be complicated and challenging at times when people relate to it. So that's what John Lighter does when we first did the script. But the real honest answer is we are all big fans of Konkani, and we were really keen that we get an opportunity to collaborate with him. And Alexander joined the team and they produced such a gem of a script which has been brought to life by these wonderful artists over here, Shreya, Pooja, Avinash. It's amazing, and we're really proud to be here at the gala. And thank you everyone for joining the screening, and we hope you enjoy.
I'm sure they will. Are you all excited?
Yes!
Okay, just a moment. Okay, one moment that resonated the most with you while shooting this film.
I think it's the climax of the film. That's a very, very beautiful scene in the film. And when we were shooting it, I don't think I've ever seen a set in an anime scene goes on 50 minutes. Without giving on too much, just watch the film and you'll understand why that's good. So that's my most favorite day of the film.
Fantastic. Give it up for Avinash Tiwari, ladies and gentlemen. I think Avinash is in love with iffi and iffi is in love with Avinash because we had a great panel discussion with him yesterday and now he's here with the Mehta Boys. One moment from the film that resonated the most with you.
I definitely want to talk about the thread that we did for this film. I think the last few years, this was one of the most engaging workshops that we did. We actually went through so many things trying to decipher what we're trying to do with this film. Choosing moment to be very difficult, but I really want to say the breadth of this film holds such a stronger memory for me than the shoot. I don't know how to make you understand it. This film standing right here has really pushed me, pushed all of us in fact, And I didn't know that he is such a perfectionist until I met him at the workshop. There's two common irani that I felt during the prep and during the shoot. The one during the prep would push me and make me feel that there's something lagging. And the moment I went to shoot made me feel that there's no other actor like Avinash.
Is that a trick, Boman sir?
So I really hope that whatever has come out of it gets translated to the audience like that, and I will really looking forward.
I'm sure it will. Best wishes. Ma'am, one word that comes to mind when you hear about iffi.
So it's a very proud moment for all of us, and it's my husband's labor of love, which is materializing, so we're all very happy.
So one word about iffi.
I'm really proud to be here to see my dad realize this moment. It's a great moment for all of us. The whole Irani family. Thank you.
Ma'am, one word. You have been here with us, and thank you to the Government of India for organizing such a great thing. But just one word that's coming in your mind when we have the cast of Mehta Boys with us.
Happiness.
Happiness, fantastic. We don't miss out on anyone. Ma'am, one word, one moment that resonated the most with you.
During the film,
Yes.
while making the film,
Yes.
I'll talk about how they really made you feel like a part of the family, Zanubia and Baman especially. My mother-in-law is Jan, and I don't get to eat eggs at home, so every time I would go for the workshop, Zanubia would send amazing khana for me. So yeah, thank you.
Fantastic.
And make sure she doesn't watch this.
Fantastic. Okay, we have with us Amaria ma'am. You gave the world an Oscar-winning production with your son. How are you feeling here in India?
Very proud, Zanavia and the whole family is overwhelming.
Thank you, ma'am. We are so happy to have you here. I will not make you guys waiting. Just a photo of Brinda, ma'am. Can you please join us? And can we have Banana Logo, ma'am, for a photo op? Just one photo op, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Look here, camera.
So, that's the team of Mehta Boys with our very own Vice Chairman ESD, Banana Logo, ma'am,
Yes,
and
camera,
our Joint
camera.
Secretary Films, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Brinda Desai, ma'am. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you to the audience. See you in the cinema hall. And we have with us the team of Mehta Boys walking the red carpet.